We are the Quantum Cypher team, and this project is a brain-computer interface pipeline connecting Snap's unreleased NextMind EEG headset to Unity and Snap spectacles using WebSockets. The goal is to create a neural-triggered augmented reality experience, where brain signals from the visual cortex can control a 3D object in real time. In our case, the object is a single 3D sphere. We used Unity with C#, a custom WebSocket server built in Node.js running on our Razer laptop, and Snap's Lens Studio with experimental features including the Internet module and custom TypeScript scripting. When the user wears the EEG headset and focuses on a neurotic displayed in Unity, the headset captures that signal from the visual cortex. Unity registers the event and sends it through the WebSocket server. That signal is then forwarded live to Snap Spectacles, and we see the confirmation message, forwarded to Spectacles, neural_event_triggered. At that point, the brain signal has successfully traveled from the user to Unity to the server and out toward the glasses, all live and in real time. Our original vision was to control a remote desktop inside Spectacles using a web view. But Lens Studio's web view is too limited. It would have required building a full browser in TypeScript, and even then, logging into Unity remotely and triggering neural events wasn't realistic for a short hackathon. So we pivoted. Instead, we proved that you can wear spectacles, look at a Unity screen, and trigger the neural signal in real time, no hands, just focus. The EEG headset works, Unity responds, and the WebSocket server sends the message, forwarded to Spectacles, neural_event_triggered. We built a custom Spectacles lens with a single 3D sphere, wrote TypeScript to listen for the WebSocket, and used the Internet module to connect it. The code is set to enlarge the sphere and change its color, but we ran out of time to debug the animation inside the glasses. That was our bottleneck and the last piece left. We're excited to keep going. We've applied to the MIT Reality Hack Accelerator and plan to finish the lens trigger soon. Thank you to MIT for a great event. And big thanks to the Snap team, we even bought Spectacles to stay involved. We look forward to more MIT Reality Hack events. Thanks again from the Quantum Cypher team, and have a great show.